Hi everyone, I am Dr. R. Soumya, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Today we are going to see the subject IoT based system design. The topic is MQTT. On completion of this video, students will be able to understand what is MQTT and what are the components of the MQTT. MQTT means Message Queuing Telemetry Transport. MQTT is used for machine-to-machine and IoT connectivity. It is a subscriber-based messaging protocol that transport the message between the devices. It is very lightweight and thus suited for the machine-to-machine and IoT sensors where the communication nodes communicate with the applications through the MQTT message broker. It usually runs over TCP and IP protocol. MQTT was developed by the IBM and Aerotech. MQTT is designed for limited devices, high latency and low bandwidth communication. So MQTT components: brokers, topic, message and client. The client, the publisher and subscriber out there. So what is the MQTT client? A client can be either a publisher or the subscriber. Subscriber can subscribe to topic and receive the messages. Publishers can publish this topic. MQTT broker, it is a central point of communication. It is responsible for dispatching all the message between the client. MQTT broker, it is a central point of communication. It is responsible for dispatching all the messages between the clients. It receives the subscriptions from clients on topics, and based on subscriptions it forwards the messages to the client. Next one is the topic. It is an identifier for subscriber, that is temperature, pressure and humidity, gas properties, etc. So message, subscriber receives the message based on the topics of the subscription from the broker. Working of MQTT: first the temperature sensor, that is the publisher, and MQTT is a broker, and subscriber the applications. MQTT methods: connect, disconnect, subscribe, unsubscribe and publish. Connect means the client requests a connection with the MQTT broker. Disconnect, the client requests a disconnect with the MQTT broker. Subscriber, the client the subscribe to the topic. Unsubscribe, the client unsubscribe from the topic. Publish, the client publishes the message. MQTT advantages: it is a simple protocol for the IoT device. It is the lightweight protocol, so it is easy to implement in the software. Low network usage and low power usage, lower data rate for the protocol implementation. MQTT applications: home automation, factory automation, medical and healthcare, transport and logistics. These are the applications.